There's a lot of videos online about changing a LG washing machine drain pump, but not for this model. This is the inverter direct dry. This is a wash and dry, and it's got the panel like this. So it's not too difficult. You remove the top. From memory, there's just 2 screws. It slides back. You remove the tray that holds your soap. You push this guy down and it pulls out. Once it pulls out, you have some screws either side. You've got a couple more screws that hold it. You've got a couple of clips at the top that you just sort of tilt out toward you and it'll release. You can see the clips here. The ones on the top are just little fingers that hold on. And once that's out, you remove the front spring, I suppose, retainer. But then looking in here, that's what I found, and it was occasionally not draining, so that definitely won't help. So I'll keep looking and see what else I find.